Hello everyone, welcome to State Services Updates with Dr. Vivek Rana. Today, PPSC has released the notification for 78 posts of Naib Tehsildar under Government Department of Revenue and Rehabilitation in Punjab. So all those candidates who are interested in applying for Naib Tehsildar, you should stay connected in this video. So I'll be decoding what exactly are the eligibility conditions, when the exam is to be held, what is the examination pattern, and what is the last date to apply. So first and foremost, let's just decode what these 78 posts are. The breakup of this post is out of 78, 27 are in general category. Since Government of Punjab has enforced Punjab Civil Services Rule Reservation of Women 2020, now effectively 33% seats would be reserved for women aspirants. So out of 27, 8 seats are for women. So there are only 19 seats in general category, and in other categories as well you will see the 1/3 reservation coming into force. But still 19 posts are good enough, and in all other categories there is an equal opportunity for candidates to give it a shot. So the essential qualification for applying for this exam is you should have a degree from any recognized university, and also the Punjabi metric criteria also holds forth, which is the same in case of PCS examination. So you should have passed 10th level Punjabi examination. In case you have not passed, you could rush to the Punjabi Department of Punjabi University, and they might be conducting an exam, and you could be eligible for this. And then coming to the age limit, the age limit is 18 to 37 years in general category. And in case of scheduled caste and backward classes, it is up to 42. And if you are already a Punjab government employee working in some corporation board, then the 45-year age limit is permissible. So, and the age would be counted from 1st January 2021. So if you are 18 years on 1/1/21, then you could give it a shot. Otherwise, in PCS we had seen the minimum age is 21 years. Rest are more or less on same lines. Now the examination pattern is a straightforward one. Unlike the other examination where is a pre, mains and interview stage, there is going to be just one written examination which would be objective. There would be 120 MCQ based questions. Each question would carry 2.5 marks. So basically it will be a 300 mark paper, and the good thing about is that there is no negative marking. So the luck would come into the picture, and yes, the time limit is just 2 hours, so you need to practice the questions. And then the last date to apply for this examination is 8th January 2021, and you could fill the fees till 15th January 2021. In general category, the fees is once again 3,000 rupees, which is the same in case of PCS examination. So there is no mains or interview stage. All those candidates who will be in the merit would be straight away will be granted the Naib Tehsildar post. So it's a good opportunity, because in this examination, if all those who are not too comfortable in writing main stage or the interview, this is a good opportunity in which you just have to crack an objective paper and get entry into the Department of Revenue. Eventually you could also aim for higher examinations like PCS. So it would be a good stepping stone for success. So if you have any other specific query which has not been addressed, you could just ask them in comment section. We will try to answer them. And the detailed notification is available on PPSC, you could say official website, and you could just download it and go through the content. So I hope this small session on the recruitment update was useful one. At Vivek IAS Career Academy, there is a batch for Naib Tehsildar, which will be starting from 28 December, 11 AM onwards. So in case you are interested, you can visit Academy for counseling. We will be ready to guide you. And also the HCS batch is also starting on the same date. So if you are interested in entering into the state services, you can pay a visit to us at between 10 to 2 p.m. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.